Hello everyone! Can you believe that March is already coming to an end? It's so crazy how quick this time is flying by. My name is Danielle Richardson and I work at Pink Zebra Home in product development, developing all your great fragrance that we have to offer. Wanted to jump on, quick reminder that your spring cleaning fragrance is only available for the month of March and we're getting close to the end. It's an exclusive fragrance. It's part of our Paisleys Pick program. So it's that monthly fragrance that's only available for that month. They're fabulous, fun fragrances, and you do not want to miss out on them. Want to quickly read to you Paisleys' story that she writes. It just kind of gives you her inspiration or where she was in the moment when she created this fragrance, spring cleaning. So there is nothing quite like a super clean house. The sun is beaming and the weather is finally starting to warm up. I open all of the windows and turn on my favorite tunes as I conquer a weekend-long cleaning project. As I dance around the living room, fresh spring air swirls around, notes of citrus and blooming flowers awakening from the winter. Cleaning isn't so bad when you are accompanied by a warm, sunshiny spring day. Love, Paisley. I just love that story. It really didn't make cleaning that bad when you have fun music playing, it's beautiful outside. This is such a great fragrance, you guys. It's so clean and crisp. It has very, very slight floral notes in it. And then it has these citrus notes that really just brighten and crisp up the fragrance. Just a great, well-balanced fragrance. Absolutely love it. So don't forget, available only for the month of March is the 2 ways to get it. If you host a party, you get this great VIP box with exclusive items of your spring cleaning fragrance, or you can go ahead and just purchase your jar and your soak. So don't miss out on it. It's had great feedback. Hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your March, and I will see you next month. Bye.